Hi, this is Jeremy with CSDS, and today we'll be teaching you how to load paper in your HP DesignJet XL 3800. Starting from our home screen, we'll be looking for our paper icon down at the bottom. Selecting that will bring us to our paper page. We'll select Roll 1 and then Load down at the bottom right. Please wait for the screen to say Open the drawer. Doing so beforehand can lead to jams. Opening the drawer from the middle latch gives us access to the roll. The right side releases it, and the left side releases the lock. Remove the old roll, and prepare your new roll. Insert the new roll left side first, latching the lock down, and then setting the size on the right. Make sure the roll is tight against itself, and begin feeding it up into the paper path. We're going to switch to the other side as well, so you can get a better look at that. Once again, remove the right hub and then undo the left latch to remove the roll. Insert your new roll left side first, latching down the lock and then setting the size on the right. Feed the paper up through the gap in the plastic where your hand can feed the leading edge. Once you hear your beep, you can go ahead and shut the drawer. Back at the screen, we'll be clicking into Roll 1 and choosing what paper we just loaded. Today we just used plain paper, so we'll go into Bond and Coated and make sure we're selecting plain paper. Hitting Done, and Finish and Check. If you are using HP branded paper, make sure you're choosing the correct profile. There should be a 1-to-1 in the paper library. The plotter will check and align the paper roll. I'm going to use this time as a reminder to only open the drawer if the plotter tells you to open the drawer. Doing so without it telling you to will lead to jams and possible downtime. Once we see our green check mark, we know we've done everything right. You can go ahead and load Roll 2 exactly the same. The XL 3800 has a built-in guide to make a clean cut in the drawer. Bring the edge past the guide, create a little bit of tension, and make your cut. Just remember to be careful when doing so. Once again, this is Jeremy. I want to thank you for joining me, and please subscribe for more HP plotter tips.